guys! I've missed you so much! I'm so eager to make our next craft. Only Sam's not here yet. We'll start without him.
La 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 la! Here I am! Didn't think I'd be back already. Your agent S.L.I.M.E 007 Sam!
What's going on, Sam? You came out of the blue!
I'm Agent S.L.I.M.E 007! The first agent rule is being sudden!
Now I get what this outfit and your sudden appearance is for. But Sam, not everyone can become a real agent. You need to go through initiation for that.
What do you need for it, Sue?
You're just Sam for now, but after you complete a test, you'll get the agent status from a secret slime organization.
Alright, come on, Sue! I'm ready to do this test task!
It is no more than a glass in depth. It is no more than a human embrace in size. But no matter how much water you pour into it, it will never get filled up.
It is no more than a glass in depth. It is no more than a human embrace in size. But no matter how much water you pour into it, it will never get filled up. As my intuition and my genius brain are telling me, it's a sink!
That's right, Sam. Go on now, search for the next clue.
Hi! Here I go, future Agent S.L.I.M.E Sam!
Right. Since Sam is going through the initiation today to become an agent, our crafts will be secret ones. The first thing we're going to do are secret mini notepads to write secret codes in them.
Yay! A sink! Sink, my dear!
We need to cut the notepad into tiny agent ones so that they could fit in your palm.
So, where's the next clue? I can't see anything! Silly me, there's a sink in the bathroom as well.
We need to staple those secret mini notepads that have no clips. I wonder how Sam is doing.
Okay, here's the sink. But there's a monster living in the drains! What do I do? A future agent of the Secret Slime Service, Sam 007, mustn't fear anything!
And our secret notepad is done. It can be easily hidden in the palm of your hand from your enemy's eyes. Or you can hide it in unusual places. Hey, there's something encrypted in here. What do you think it is? Write in the comments.
Where's the clue? Or is Sue just teasing me?
Mirror.
Thanks! A sleeping smiley, a night sky, and an alarm clock. What's that? Sleep? This must mean a bed! Thank you, whoever you are!
Good luck.
Now we're going to make the next secret agent craft. Is Sam doing all right?
There's nothing under the pillow! Maybe it's under the blanket. Ugh, nothing under the blanket! Aha! Then it's under the bed.
Let's place our secret lists on rulers, making sure the edges don't stick out, and secure them with tape.
Ugh, why did she hide the clue under the bed where it's dusty and dark? Who knows? Maybe some kind of monster does live here. Sue must have arranged a test for courage as well, and I passed it!
We need to put the tape on the rulers really neatly, without any suspicious wrinkles.
What can it be?
Here's the cache we made out of rulers. You can hide important secret messages in it. Decipher these two riddles and write your answers in the comments.
fridge! Sam 007 to the kitchen! Weird. Where are all the yogurt, sweets, and jams? Only greens.
Our next secret cache will be in erasers.
What did Sue mean by this? Leaves and flowers. Flowers? All the plants on the window! Yay!
We need to neatly cut the middle part out of the erasers to make small niches. Be very careful with the knife. Now, let's glue the sides of our secret paper to each niche in the eraser. Aha! Here's another riddle for you. Decipher it and write the answer in the comments. Sam, how are you doing?
Oops! Something went wrong! Agent Sam 007!
I prepared another secret life hack with a riddle for you. The picture or phrase must be printed on a laser printer. You'll know why soon. Take a look at this riddle in the meantime.
What can it be? There are the plants. Dear plants! Well done, Sam.
Let's cut a piece of tape and stick it on the picture. Now, run a hard, flat object over it.
Oh! A small mirror. What can it mean? Sam's handsome. No. Sunspot? No. Reflection? Yes, reflection! Sue's dressing table! Let's go!
Let's cut off the excess tape and throw the picture into hot water.
Sam will not give up! Sam will earn the title of Agent 007!
After about 3 minutes, we need to take it out and remove the paper from the tape with our fingers.
Nothing special. Nothing special here! And there's nothing much on the table. Oh! Who placed my friends like that? Friends. Friend? Sue! It has to be Sue!
All that's left to do now is dry it, and the secret film with agent information is ready. You can stick it on a pen or on a water bottle.
Sue, are you my friend?
Of course I am. Oh, I see. The clue led you to me. You're going the right way, future Agent Sam 007.
Yay! It means that I've passed the initiation and I'm ready to become an agent!
Oh no, Sam. You haven't guessed all the secret riddles of the agent quest. Here, look at the picture with the riddle and guess the word that will give you a clue for the next action.
Right. A mouse and commas. R-N-G. It's morning!
Bravo, Sam! That's your next clue.
Morning. The sun. The sun's shining through the window. The window has a sill, but I've been there and there's nothing there. So it's not the sun. Let's start again. I sleep. Then I wake up. Why do I wake up? Or someone woke me up. Or something woke me up. Eureka! The alarm clock!
Excellent, Sam! Go!
Spies beware. Agent Sam 007 will expose you.
So guys, while Sam is looking for the next clue, I'll give you the next riddle and show you a new secret life hack.
The alarm clock! Ding, ding, ding!
Remove the label from the bottle and stick the picture with the riddle on it. Of course, you need to guess the encoded word and write it in the comments.
Well. What's wrong here? 4 o'clock. 6 o'clock. 9 o'clock. What do all these numbers mean? Do we have anything else in our house that has numbers on it? Oh, that's right, a calendar! On to the kitchen, Sam! To the calendar!
Let's stick the label with the picture back and pour out the contents until the picture becomes visible. That's how you can hide important and secret information. Guys, subscribe to our channel, give us a thumbs up, and invite your friends. So, how's Sam doing?
When will the test be over? I can do it! I can! What's the answer here? What did Sue mean by this? Oh! What's that?
Hello, Sam. You've managed to complete this incredibly difficult task, and now you've become S.L.I.M.E Agent 007. No matter what happens, you must come when help is needed. S.L.I.M.E Service sends you their congratulations.
Oh, yay! I'm Agent Sam 007! Don't worry, I won't let you down. Sue, open up quick!
Sam, there's a letter with an official stamp for you and a package.
What's in there, Sue? Read it!
Mr. Sam, S.L.I.M.E Service is pleased to inform you that henceforth you are officially called Agent Sam 007. Welcome!
Open the package, Sue! I wonder what's in there!
There's a special badge for you and a new mission, my Agent Sam 007. Want to see new adventures of Agent Sam? Subscribe to the channel and don't forget to hit the bell button to be the first to know about new episodes on our channel.